Good evening, friends. Question before Odisha High Court was whether an application under Section 125 of the crpc, which deals with maintenance, can be restored after it has been dismissed in default for non-appearance of the applicant. Whether Section 362 of the CRPC warned the Honorable Judge to not to restore the application. The court said no. Under Section 125 of the CRPC, this application, if dismissed in default, can be restored if the proper cause is shown by the complainant. Only in complaint cases, it debarred the Honorable Magistrate to not to restore the application. That's all.